So hello everyone, welcome to Aradhana Fashion. This is Dheeraj here. So after a long time, we are with you with our English language. So guys, in today's video, we are going to show you something very nice collection of cotton silk. These will be our today's collection. Just have a look on these sarees. These are totally the South belt test we are covering up. Like these are very low range sarees, and also you are getting the full work, complete zari work you are getting. Also no any kind of half work or incomplete work has been done. And the main part and the best part is that we are covering these videos with a very low quality, very low range. The range of the saree will be only one just 500 to 400 and 300. This kind of range we are going to cover it. So without getting late, let's get started. The design number is 335. Just this one is the model of the sari. This kind of sari is the whole view of the sari we are getting to you. And if we will discuss about the price range, then the price range is only one just 599. 599 is the price range of this sari. Now I am going to show you the whole view and the full look of this sari, which one is very nice, very gorgeous and very beautiful. This one is your view of the sari. Very nice gorgeous collection. Just have a look. This will be the total view of the zari work. This kind of work you are getting at the bottom of the sari, and the color combination is too good. What a nice and what a gorgeous finishing has been done in the all over sari. If we will discuss about price range, only 599. 599 is price range. We have also color chart in this sari, and there is separate blouse piece also, which has been completed with the work of the sleeves. This kind of zari work you are getting in the sari. This one will be your sleeves work of the zari, this kind of work. And also we have a color chart in this design. This will be your color chart of this design. And also we have a model picture. Like these are the model picture, model shoot. You can look this with zooming. We can have a view of the zooming view. Price range only one just 599. It's our another sample of today's collection with single color availability. This will be your model picture. If you will wear this one sari, you will look like this one. Same to same, you will getting this kind of pattern also. Now I'm going to show you the whole and open view of the sari, which is very nice, best in the quality. You will be getting like that. And guys, this one is the sari quality is very good at the price range of only 400. 400 will be price range of this sari, and you will be getting this kind of tiny mirror work. With mirror work, there will be also the including of the tassels. This kind of tassels work you are getting at the corner of the sari, and the fabric is also too good. Very lightweighted fabric is providing to you with from Aradhana Fashion. And guys, in this design we have a single color, single piece, single design also. If you want to purchase it, then just WhatsApp us on the given WhatsApp number below the description link. This kind of blouse piece you are getting running blouse through this design, and this will be your model picture. If you will wear this sari, you can see it with our zooming process. This one you will be getting the same kind of perfection and also a very good look of this quality of the sari. It's our another one design at the price range of only 350. 350 will be price range. This will be your model picture. If you will wear this sari also, you will get this kind of look, view of your sari. This will be. Now I'm going to show you the whole view of the sari, which will be very good and very perfect. This one is the view of your sari. What a nice work, also very simple and very plain work. At the price range of only 350, you are getting this kind of flower work at the bottom of the sari. This one is your pure threading work has been done also. Very nice, very gorgeous collection which we are providing to you at the price range of only 350. So most welcome all of you. You can purchase it through also bulk criteria with bulk process. This one is your view of blouse of this sari. There is also color availability in this design. You are getting only two colors. Two colors are available of this design. This will be your two colors availability of the design. Another one at the price range of only just 425. 425 is price range. This will be your model view. This design, this kind of your viewing process. If you will wear this one, this will be your view and the look. If you will wear this one design. Now I'm going to show you this one collection also, which is very good, very nice. Price range only 425. 425 is price range. Fabric will be your cotton silk, totally cotton silk basis. This kind of work, pure zari work has been done. Also, this is your view on the look of the pallu. This one is your whole view of the sari, and also this will be the view of your design of the border at the bottom of the sari, which will be very good, very nice and very gorgeous collection. Also, there is also some color chart we will provide you at the end after showing you the whole view of the sari, and also the running blouse piece which we are providing to you. This will be a blouse piece of the sari also, which you have to cut after the measuring, after the adjustable price which you have to do after the adjustable size also. We are going to show you the color chart of this sari. These are the color availability of the sari. This kind of colors you are getting, 3 to 4 colors are available in this design. This one is another one at the price range of only 599. 599 is price range. This kind of view you will be getting after wearing this sari. Also very nice combination of the colors, which is of the wine color and red color combination. Very nice and very gorgeous collection. 599 is price, but the view of the sari is very amazing. Very surprisingly, you can show, like there is the view of the pallu. You are getting this kind of golden zari work. Very nice work has been done. Also the combination is very light and too good. Just look, this kind of work has been done. Fabric is very nice, good quality of the fabric which we are providing to you, and there is very nice work has been done at the bottom of this kind of sleeves work from the combination of golden zari, silver zari, and also red threading work. This kind of running blouse of the wine color you are getting. Totally the work has been done, full work has been done, no any kind of incomplete work has been done, and this kind of the work at the sleeves of the blouse. Also we have color availability, color chart in this design. You are getting 3 to 4 colors. These will be your colors of this sari. Very nice fabric. If you want to purchase it, then just message us. But guys, there is a very important information regarding to this design are, you can't buy it with single double pieces, just because now we have this kind of our manufacturing process. First of all, you have to give your opinion regarding to our design, regarding to our sample. It's our another one. This one is your whole view of the sari. If you will wear, now I'm going to show you the whole view of the sari, that what is here. It's totally the plain, but somewhere you will be getting the zari work, like at the pallu, at the top and at the bottom of the sari, like this one. There is the work has been done at the pallu. This kind of you are getting the plain and the straight lining zari work at the top and at the bottom of the sari. This will be fabric is totally silk. Very nice work has been done. And the price range is for even just 350. 350 is the price range of this sari. Very nice view of the sari, and the work is also too good. There is color chart option also. There is 3 to 4 colors. Like these will be your color chart in this design and in this sari. These are your color chart. You will be getting 3 to 4 colors. And also guys, if you want to purchase it, then you can get it with the set to set order. You have to purchase it with set wise, then you will be get it. Single double pieces are not available in now, but if you will suggest us, then we will provide you. Also, if you will give the good feedback regarding to our this design, then we will provide you at the very low range and at the very low cost single double pieces. But first of all guys, if you are purchasing now, then you have to purchase it in the bulk criteria. This will be your our another sample of today's video, and this will be your our other collection at the price range of only one just 350. 350 is also the price range of this one, which one is very nice and very good. This is your the view and the look of the your pallu, which is very running, very close to the sample of the design of the sari. This one, and the fabric is very light, too good. Very light weighted fabric we are providing you in this sari. You are getting 4 to 5 color chart. Color chart is available in this sari. You have to adjust it. Your blouse will be same as it is your sari look. You have to adjust it through cutting the blouse and measurement. There are the color chart which we are going to provide you. These are your color chart of this design. Totally you are getting 6 to 7 colors in this design. There are 6 to 7 colors in this design. If you want to purchase it, then just message us. And also, so there are some update and some notification regarding to our firm and Aradhana Fashion is that we are a very trusted firm. We work very genuinely. We have also trademark including our GST number. Just have a look on our trademark. This one is our Aradhana Fashion. We have trademark, and also we are registered with our GST number. And guys, if you want to purchase in bulk criteria, you can purchase. We will simply clarify with you our WhatsApp messaging process. We will provide you the bulk order criteria link, and we have also too many criterias, like we have COD option and prepaid option also regarding to your order. And the most interesting part is that we are now covering 26,000 pin code all over India, including our foreign countries, like we are covering 35 plus foreign countries like UK, Japan, Canada, too many etc countries. We are dealing with them with our Aradhana Fashion firm for regarding to our. And guys, if you haven't subscribed our channel, then please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for the immediate notifications and update. We are always updating our videos with these kind of amazing designs. So thanks.